7:22 a.m.
It's day 6.
It's not day 6.
It is day 6.
It's not day 6.
Yes, because it was day 5 yesterday.
No, it weren't day 5.
It was day 5.
Right, hang on.
It's not rumbling, folks.
Neville,
No, come in. Neville.
Day 6. Amy's trying to mate with the cat.
You're gonna miss us.
Gareth. Neville. Neville.
That's our chalet. J6. 10:34 a.m. Well, we discovered that was a petrol station over there and not a supermarket. I'm dying for a poo. Well, this is actually taking longer than I thought it would. This really is. Well, I packed me peanuts and my drink and a little bag of Skittles just in case I get trapped up the mountain. But at this rate, I don't actually think I'll be getting anywhere near the mountain. It looks, oh God, there's another wall in the way. This is my last diary entry before the next one. If this should be found, please I bequeath my entire pank collection to Doris Stokes. I feel like I am drawn to this, like close encounters of the third kind. And there goes my hat. Let me ponder some thoughts. That old man river, it just keeps rolling along. You don't want to be doing this while we're all hanging around because you might trip over and break your ankle. Day 368. I seem to be alone. There's fur. Shit. There could be wild animals here. Didn't think of that, Francis, did you? Quick, let's leg it. I certainly will. The worst videoing of a plane I've ever taken. Oh, look, it's banking. It's going, Noel Edmonds, I love you. I love you, Noel Edmonds. I've just had a piss up against a rock. Avalanche. I'm melting. I'm dying. I'm dying. Nothing. 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 Oh, apart from a hotel. Whee! Let's have sangria and jump in the pool. Whee! Nothing like going on holiday abroad and trying to get lost or trying to go up a mountain and then realising you haven't really got the proper hut for this kipper. I'm on holiday. I can't see fuck all. Oh, I can now. Take glasses off, sunglasses off, Francis. And there is our hotel. And the blue stuff above the hotel, slightly to the left, is sea. 24-hour exposure. Arse. Ow. We are coming to get you, Earth people. We are coming. We will evaporate you all into us. Oh, Jesus, fuck, that hurt. That hurt, touch it. Don't touch one of them, because they bloody hurt. They hurt like hell. Hi, people. Behind the scenes of our chalet. Yes, and look, there you go. There's the main reception. It's not very busy here, is it? Well, Neville's gone, and now we have Gareth in our room. Only 2 cats in the whole of the complex, and we've had both of them, and we've been feeding both of them. J6, 6:52 p.m.
Hello.
Hello.
Right, we're just about to go and have a walk around the beach area.
Yes, we are.
Hi.
Hello, you're upside down.
That way down there.
No, it's that way round. No, you're upside down now. That's
No, it's
upside.
not. What's the difference?
It's a video. I'll write to the RSPCA about that. Yeah, I don't think I can manage that. I might fall off and hurt myself.
I mean, I was there yesterday.
What, fall off and hurt yourself? I'm running. I don't know where I'm going. Spookyville. Spookyville. Behind these doors are dead chimps. Going back to where we went on our first official day. Or was it the second day? It's 14th, yes. But now it's evening time. We'll get there in the end. Don't do silly faces behind me, will you? And over there is that webcammy thing. We can't do this in Harlow. Or flick bogey into the Atlantic. My God, it's a message from a desert island deserter. I think you heard me say that. Oh look. Oh look. Bongella, bongella. Qu'est-ce que c'est un bongella? I talk bollocks sometimes. I really talk bollocks. I talk more bollocks than I've been talking bollocks for ages. Stranded at driving, branded a fool. What will they say Monday at school? Sandy, it's very sandy. I'm in misery. That's the bar where you have the internet. You can actually see, if you were standing there right now on the internet looking at their webcam, you could see me looking at them, looking at me, watching you, watching me, watching you, watching me, watching them, watching me, watching them. Was it a nice chocolate milkshake you had it before?
Yeah, another one.
You haven't had one yet? How about that? Roundabout on sticks.
Day 6 in the evening. Amy is trying an olive for the very first time.
What's inside it?
Nothing.
Stone. I don't eat that bit. Like the peach of the stone. Can I pick it out?
Yeah.
I take it she doesn't like them.
That's disgusting.
This is what we're gonna make Amy say.
Oh God, how do you say that?
Martilo.
¿Qué?
Martilo.
Un martelo, right?
Well, what did you ask him?
I asked him if I could borrow his hammer.
Day 6, 10:44 p.m. Well, I must admit, Amy's impressed me once again by asking the waiter in the Spanish restaurant if she could borrow his hammer. Yes, that was my favourite. Can we park our caravan here? That would have been a really good one. Oh God, his man coming up the line. It's a fantastic t-shirt. Oh, that's our bog roll collection, which Rebecca's just thrown on the floor. That's got a last, that's been nicked